Hello, Fredak here, Fred ACC. I want to thank you all for being here today. Be sure to subscribe. That way you could be tuned in to my tutorials on horse racing, sports prognosticating, making money, day trading the stock market. Knowledge is power, and I'm going to try to share with you as much knowledge as I can. First up, as I start to learn how to process all this YouTube stuff, I predate the beeper. It's not in my wheelhouse. But when I figure it all out, I will start doing a streaming of day trading the stock market. This will be the place to go to. Trust me. Alrighty, that being said, it's extremely important that you understand the game. Knowledge is power. I'm going to try to share with you a lifetime of following the stock market, of what I do know of it. First up, playing the stock market is gambling. You're investing into something and you're hoping to make money. There's different forms of doing that. You can go long, meaning you buy IBM and you hope that it goes up. You can go short, which means you sell IBM, then you rebuy it, hopefully at a lower price, so you're making money. We will dwell into these other different topics in depth down the road, but for right now I'm just sharing the thought that I would hope that those who start to subscribe will start to look at the Day Trading 101, number 1, number 2, number 3, and I will keep adding to the pile. Alrighty, that being said, I'm one and done. I don't sit here and do numerous takes of all this stuff. I just kind of wing it. Sorry about that if it disturbs you, but knowledge is power. But you got to do your homework. I would suggest having a nice big notebook that you can write things down. You got to have a game plan. You got to have your rules. When it comes to day trading, you got to have your rules. It's the only way to stay ahead of the game. The bottom line is, did I make money or did I lose money? The stock market is huge, and the stock market really doesn't care. You got the New York stocks, you got the NASDAQ stocks, you got options. Alrighty, we're going to dwell into a quick little tutorial about options. This is just my opinion. It's not financial advice. It's just what I've learned from a lifetime. If it makes sense, great. If it doesn't, go in the direction you want to go in. That's fine with me also. When it comes to playing options, it's the poor man's way of renting somebody else's stock for a certain time period. A couple of weeks, a couple of months. The longer you want to rent their stock for, the more you're going to pay for that privilege. Generally speaking, most options tend to expire worthless, which means my gut feeling is that's kind of for suckers. Now, if you hit a huge home run on it, that's fantastic. Be that as it may, renting other people's stock, the people that do the renting, the people that write the call or the put, they're putting the premium, the money that you've donated to them to rent their stock, in their pocket. Some people might think that that's a very solid way, if you have a decent sized portfolio, to just continuously rent out your stock to investors. I'll call them suckers. At any rate, not a big options fan. Options world is stacked against the people that are buying them. The analogy I will give, and I give a lot of analogies, is kind of like going to the casino. The ones who write the option, the put or the call, is kind of like the house. The people that are stopping in to play craps, roulette, the slot machines, those are the players. And the players are generally the people buying options, puts or calls, and the house is the ones who are writing them, or just making money from being involved with writing them or selling you the put or the call, whichever brokerage firm you're going through. But at any rate, that's a little bit of a day trading insight. Be sure to subscribe. I want to thank you all for being here today. May all your days be winning ones. And I will try to elaborate more stepping stones, hierarchies towards where we're going. But down the road, at some point, we are going to start to look to try to get involved with streaming some type of a day trading so you could see the game live in action while it's happening. Please subscribe. Any questions, smash the likes button or don't or whatever. Thank you all for being here. May all your days be winning ones. Alrighty.